What's up, you guys? It's Belle, Shantel, back with another video. Today I'm going to be doing a makeup look with you all. First I start out doing my eyebrows, and if you haven't saw, I have an eyebrow routine on my channel. Click that little link up there and you can go directly to it. So I just do the normal routine that I do. I changed it up a little bit, so let me know if you guys want me to update it or not. Now I'm just going to do the same thing on the other eyebrow that I did on the first one. Next, I'm gonna start priming the eyelid with the NYX eye primer. And I'm just gonna place that all over the lid and then blend it in really good. Next, I'm gonna go in with the NYX eyeshadow palette. I'm gonna choose like this little light nude peachy shade, I guess you would say, just to have as like a transition color. I'm gonna go a little bit above the crease of my eye and blend that up towards my brow. I'm gonna do the same exact thing on the other eye. Next, I'm gonna go in with the Profusion. I'm gonna go in with the kind of maroonish color, and I'm gonna put that directly into my crease, and I'm gonna slowly blend that up towards my eyebrow. Then I'm gonna go in with a darker shade to deepen the crease a little bit, and just do the same thing on both of my eyes. I'm going back in with that NYX palette, and I'm gonna deepen the crease just a little bit more. It wasn't as dark as I would like it to be, but I'm gonna do that same thing on both of my eyes. And just make sure you blend, girl. Blend is the key. Blend, 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 blend till you can't blend no more. Then I'm gonna cut that crease. I'm not the best at these yet, but I'm trying. I did like the little eye trick where you like put it on your eye and then you look up, which is an old trick that everybody used to do. But just cut your crease as best as you can. It doesn't really matter, because once you apply that glitter, you're not even gonna be able to tell, sis. You be okay. And then I'm gonna take like a small, very small brush and just go on the outside of that concealer that I use to cut my crease, just to kind of neaten it up a little bit. And then I'm gonna go in with like a little white color to like kind of set the concealer on my eye. And then I go on with my NYX eye glitter glue and put it all over my eyelid where I cut my crease. And then I'm going to go in with a little silver glitter, basically. It's by Bitsy. It says nail and body glitter. I will have that linked in the description box below. And I just pat it. I don't try to like sweep it. I just pat it so I will have less fallout. I didn't have tape to get mine off. Next, I'm gonna go on like this liquid type bronzer. It's an illuminator. I just apply it on my cheeks, my nose, anywhere where I want to highlight. And I put that under my foundation, of course. Then I'm gonna apply my Fit Me foundation, and I'll have like the shade that I'm in and everything in the description box below. And I use my damp beauty blender to blend it out. It's the Real Technique beauty blender, and you can get that from anywhere, like a drugstore or anything. Then I go on one of my favorite drugstore concealers. It's literally my favorite, and that's the Master Conceal by Face Studio, and you can get that from Walmart as well. And I just apply that anywhere that, again, I want to highlight and conceal. Then I go on with my Airspun, again, that's from Walmart, and I just set and kind of bake underneath my eyes and on my smile lines, my forehead, and my chin. Then I go on my e.l.f. highlight and contour kit, and I just contour / bronze up a little bit just because to add some of that color back in there. And I kind of contour underneath my jawline to give it more like a structured look, I guess, to bring it out a little bit more. And then I take the Fit Me. It's just a little powder that I use. Again, that's at any drugstore, and just kind of bronze up a little bit more to deepen that contour. And then I take that same brush, and anything that I have that's left over, I just kind of wipe and dust away that airspun, because it kind of is like, airspun gives me like this little ghost look. So I try to like wipe it away and add some color back to my face. Next, I just take the same colors that I applied in my crease in my transition, and I just add it to the waterline, my waterline. And then I take my e.l.f. eyeshadow, and again, that's just at any drugstore, and I'll have it linked down below. And I use it as a highlighter. I know that sounds weird, but as my highlighters, I use these little individual eyeshadows from just Walmart. Girl, next you just add that mascara to blend in those lashes to the eyelashes. And of course, I added my eyelashes off camera. I suck at doing eyelashes, so it's very hard for me to show it on camera. Then I just add mascara to my bottom lashes. And girl, you're gonna set that face. And let it dry. Next, I use my NYX lipstick, and I'll have that linked in the description box below, which one that is. And girl, now you are all done and ready to go out with your girls for the night. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys really enjoyed it. Comment down below what video you would like to see next, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.